Hi, this is Peter Lund, Vice President, Product Management here at Industrial Defender. We're going to spend a few minutes today going through our FoxGuard integration. Before we jump into that, we'll just do a quick kind of architecture of how this integration actually works in practice. So you've got Industrial Defender, your asset management platform monitoring a number of OT and IT assets in an environment. This could be done in many number of ways, everything from our industrial agents to remote data collection to passive monitoring to manual file collection. In that information, of utmost importance to FoxGuard is the OS version you're running, things like software installed, versions of firmware. We bundle all that up and pass it along to FoxGuard for detailed patch reporting and acquisition analysis. With that, let's jump into a demo. So you can see we're starting here on the Industrial Defender Risk homepage. And as we jump over into patch management, we'll be able to show what it looks like after we've done a data exchange with FoxGuard. So we've done that asynchronous data exchange where we're exporting all that software and patch information to FoxGuard. They've gone through it, mapped it out to all the different vendor and OEM feeds that they have access to, and then they provide us ultimately the patch applicability back to us. And once we import that, you can see within our user interface, we've got a number of patches that Industrial Defender is quickly able to see are missing on endpoints. Not only are they missing, but FoxGuard provides visibility to when they are released, when they were reviewed. We merge that with our asset information to tell you that this one specific asset in the demo lab is missing this patch. As we drill in, again, we can actually see where to actually get the patch from, any release notes or security bulletins that it's related to. We'll take another one, look at a KB here from Windows. And if we flip over to the parent product, we can then see the parent products that are impacted by those patches that we saw on the last screen. So things like C++, SQL Server, .NET, a number of different changes. They'll go as far as even providing that patch quality evidence, where if you're looking at for checksums and secure supply chain evidence, you can link right to their portal from Industrial Defender's platform and find that authenticity evidence very, very easily. So when you go to acquire the patch, you can then see and compare it to what you have. So you can take a look, see if the certificate matches, see that everything has been secure from an end-to-end standpoint before you go and push it. Additionally, within the ASM, we'll also help you with your compliance program and risk program. So if we head back to that risk overview, we'll provide information around patches that are missing from a risk standpoint. So we can see we've got a number of assets in this environment, and we're bubbling up, patch counts and missing patches as a risk vector. So if this endpoint is missing a patch, for example, it would go red. So that's it for our quick demo. Any questions, feel free to follow up with us directly at Industrial Defender. Thanks.